Hey guys, welcome back to Cozy English Corner. I'm Sarah, and I'm happy you're here with us today. I hope your day feels gentle, and if not, we'll make it softer together.
And I'm Sam. Today's episode is about something simple but stressful. Visiting the dentist. If this topic makes you nervous, don't worry. We're going to talk about it in a soft, calm way.
Going to the dentist is part of everyone's life, but it always brings a mix of fear and relief.
Yes, even adults feel nervous. The chair, the tools, the smell, everything feels a little scary.
But the truth is, dentists are there to help us, not hurt us. Listener, when was the last time you visited the dentist?
Maybe it's been months, maybe years, or maybe you're planning to go soon and your stomach is already tight.
That feeling is normal. I remember my last dentist visit very clearly. I woke up feeling nervous and kept imagining all the sounds. But I still went because my tooth was hurting.
That's the bravery we often forget. Doing something even when you're scared.
When I enter a dental clinic, my hands always feel a bit cold. My heartbeat becomes fast.
Same here. Sitting in the waiting area is the worst part for me. You hear soft machines, people whispering, and your mind imagines everything.
Listener, maybe you know this feeling. Your name gets called and suddenly your heart drops.
You walk inside slowly, trying to look calm, but inside you're thinking, please be gentle.
And most of the time, the dentist smiles and makes you feel safe. The dentist usually asks, "How are you?"
And we always reply, I'm fine, even though we are absolutely not fine.
That's just human nature.
I remember lying back on the dentist chair and gripping the armrest like I was on a roller coaster.
Me too. The chair leans back and suddenly you feel tiny. The bright light above you looks like a small sun.
And the dentist says, open your mouth, and you think, okay, please don't judge me.
One thing I love is how dentists always try to talk to you even when your mouth is wide open.
Yes, they ask questions like, everything okay? When you clearly cannot speak.
And we make those funny sounds like, mm-hmm. Listener, maybe you're thinking of cleaning your teeth soon.
Or maybe you're scared something will hurt. But remember, the pain is usually small and temporary. The relief afterwards is much bigger.
Yes, that clean feeling is totally worth it. I once went to the dentist because of a tiny cavity.
Let me guess, the tiny cavity felt like the end of the world?
Exactly. I imagined 10 horrible things, but the dentist fixed it in 10 minutes.
My funniest moment was when the dentist asked me to rinse, and I missed the bowl completely.
Oh no, I once coughed at the wrong moment and scared the whole room.
Dentist visits are full of funny mistakes.
Listener, here are some useful sentences.
I have an appointment today.
I need to check my tooth.
It hurts when I bite.
Can you clean my teeth, please? Sometimes dentists give advice that makes us feel guilty.
You should floss every day. And we smile even though we floss once a month.
Dentists know. They always know.
But they never judge. They just want you to take care of your teeth.
Yes, and they see hundreds of mouths every week. Yours is not special, and that's comforting.
You're just another patient. No pressure.
The scariest sound is that drilling noise.
Yes, that zzz sound feels like a horror movie.
But when it finally stops, you feel so relieved.
I always tell myself, this will end soon.
And it really does. Most dental procedures are quick. The fear is often bigger than the reality.
That's true for many things in life.
Listener, if you fear dentist visits, try this. Breathe slowly before entering.
Imagine the dentist as someone who was helping your future self. Future you will be thankful.
And reward yourself with a treat afterward.
After my last cleaning, I felt like my teeth were shining.
I love that feeling, like your mouth is brand new.
Makes you smile for no reason.
Sometimes daily life makes us forget our health.
Yes, pain starts only when things get worse. That's why regular checkups matter.
Taking care of yourself is a quiet act of self-love.
Dentist visits are part of adulthood.
A small responsibility that makes a big difference.
And it teaches bravery, even if your bravery is shaking a little.
Listener, remember, you don't have to be fearless. You just need to show up.
And once you show up, the hardest part is done.
The rest is just opening your mouth.
Thank you for joining us in this cozy conversation today.
We hope you feel less scared and more calm about dental visits.
And we hope your next appointment feels gentle and short.
Take care of yourself, smile softly, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.